everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I wanted to make a quick video today to announce the newest update that we have for our app, and it is very exciting. Probably a lot of you already have this update because it is out in the App Store now as we speak. So if you don't already have the newest update, make sure that you go in and download it. So this newest update includes the launch of our store through the app. So now you never have to leave the app to shop all of Park Seeds, plants, and accessories, all of that. It is all done directly from within the app, which is very exciting. And before I forget and get too far into going over all of the new things, I want to mention also that with this app update reveal, we have a discount code that is going to be going through the end of this month, so through the end of June. We're gonna have a discount code for 25% off your entire order. So all you need to do whenever you go through and check out on the app, you will just type in the discount code SPOON25 and it will give you 25% off the entire order. So you'll notice first of all that whenever you're on the main screen that there's a new shop button up on the very top of the home page. So whenever you click that, you have two different screens. You have one that says Seeds and Plants, which has all of the beautiful pictures of all the different plants and seeds that are available to scroll and just browse through. And then over on the other side, there's a section for accessories. And over here, it has a lot of our favorite accessories that Park Seed has in stock. And it'll automatically, whenever you go to there, go to our featured list, which is like our favorites. So we've handpicked all of our favorite things that we like to grow with in our garden. So things like the smart pots and the seeding squares and things like that that we just really love are all going to be found on that featured right there. But there's also a search, so you can search through all of the different things if you don't see what you're looking for there. And there's also a bunch of different categories that you can look through as well. And I do want to mention there is a new item that you may or may not have noticed, which is a purple smart pot. I'm super excited to finally be carrying these in the store because these are my favorite. I use these purple smart pots all the time and they are just, I mean, they're pretty. I mean, let's just be honest, they're amazing. They look super pretty. I love to be ironic and put like my eggplants or my purple bell peppers, things like that into my purple ones. And it just keeps them separated. And it's a way to keep track of different plants as well as looking pretty too. So there's a lot of different things there, but I just wanted to make sure to point that out because we have a few different sizes available for those purple smart pots now. So make sure that you check those out. And of course, you can still go and shop through the plants list just like before. So whenever you go to a specific plant that you're looking at, if you go to types, it'll show you all the different varieties that they have. And you can click on either info and read all about that variety right there, or you can add it to your cart. You can do both ways. I just wanted to take a few minutes and go over that new exciting update with you guys and make sure that you all were aware of all of that. And and also remind you about the discount code too. It's going through the end of June, 25% off your entire order through the app, SPOON25 at checkout. And if you guys have any questions at all, please let me know, reach out, and I will be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.